And now to a major development in the push to expand booster shots for those who've received the COVID-19 vaccine. Pfizer is asking U.S. regulators to authorize a third dose for all adults, the company wanting to make its booster available to anyone over 18. Our chief health editor, Dr. Nandi, now. Doctor, Pfizer sought boosters for ages 16 and up back in September, which is not that long ago. Here they are again asking what's changed this time?
You're right, Brian. The FDA granted emergency use authorization for Pfizer's COVID-19 booster back in September, right? But they only set it for specific groups. That's for groups that are 65 and up, adults with underlying health conditions, and people like myself whose work puts them at increased risk for the virus. At that time, the panelists to the FDA suggested that there was not enough data to support boosters for all, and they were concerned about heart inflammation in the younger age groups. Now, fast forward to today, right? So here we are again, Pfizer's asking for an amendment. This time they'd like a booster for adults 18 and up. So what's the difference between now and back, when Pfizer asked in September? Well, the company says that they have supporting data from a phase 3 trial. It involves over 10,000 people. And the booster shot, meaning the third dose, remember, was compared to the standard 2-dose regimen. And what the data shows is that the booster provided an efficacy rate of 95% against symptomatic COVID-19, which is great, compared to the standard 2-dose regimen. Importantly, Brian, the trial also found the booster to be safe. And the data was collected with the Delta variant being the dominant strain. So that's the strain we're working with right now.
Doc, another big development in the fight against this virus, trials showing an antibody drug may drastically reduce the risk of contracting COVID-19. So how significant is the findings, and how does it work?
This is really, really important. I think Regeneron's antibody treatment, by the way, it's called Regen.cov, and the company is late-stage trials. It showed, Brian, that the antibody cocktail not only reduced the risk of infection by 81.6%, but get this, that this protection actually lasted between 2 and 8 months, which is great. And also, no participants that received the antibody cocktail were hospitalized for COVID, compared to 6 hospitalizations in the placebo group. Also fantastic. Now, I'm hearing that some people now think that, hey, you know what, this monoclonal antibody drug could replace the vaccine. But Regeneron's treatment will likely be given to people whose immune systems did not respond well to the vaccines, as well as those who are immunocompromised. It won't be distributed as widely as the vaccine. And also, that's most likely because this antibody treatment is expensive to produce, whereas vaccines are not only less expensive to make, but billions of doses can easily be made, and it's safe. So I believe what's going to happen, Brian, is that Regeneron's antibody treatment will most likely be used selectively to help protect those who are at high risk. But to me, it's another tool, right? We got all these tools that are being developed for prevention and for treatment. So that's fantastic. Again, remember to vaccinate and protect yourself. That's how we get through this pandemic.
All right, Dr. Nandi, as always, we are grateful for you walking us through, helping us navigate through all of these developments through this pandemic. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.